Hi, it's Tim at Engine Factory. We just finished building this beautiful 350 Chevrolet 375 horsepower turnkey package engine for our customer's 1986 C10 truck. Go over some of the highlights on the engine build. We started with the late model 4-bolt main block, 1-piece rear main seal, brand new timing cover, brand new balancer, double roller timing chain, brass freeze plugs, engine block painted the Chevrolet orange, proper oil pan for the 1986 C10 truck. Aluminum cylinder heads are on there. All the roller rock arms fully adjusted and set. It's real nice Taylor ignition wires, made in USA. All the wire markers are on there. It's real nice chrome ball milled valve covers, the matching air cleaner. We have the aluminum intake manifold, thermostat housings in place, thermostats installed, 2 extra water ports for any sensors if needed on the thermostat housing, quick fuel carburetor on there, throttle return spring, throttle cable ball and bracket, real nice HEI distributor set in place, ready to go, proper automatic flex plate for the 350 Chevrolet, proper tooth count and balance. It's also correct for the customer's transmission. We have the high torque starter on there, chrome dipstick and tube, PCV ventilation line on there, heavy duty Russell, manifold vacuum fittings installed, electric choke wire, high flow fuel pump, inline gas filter, Russell fuel lines, all the loop clamps going up to the carburetor, proper water pump for the 86 C10. Every engine is live run at the engine factory for over 45 minutes. You're going to get a video of your engine running in stand, all the readings, manifold vacuum, water temperature, oil pressure, cold and hot, timing will be set, carburetor fully adjusted, ready to go. So again, this is our 350 Chevrolet 375 horsepower turnkey engine. Thanks for watching.